Children, you have understood the topic right now. So how to ask the question, how to answer it, you learnt it right now. So whomever I call, they have to come with their partners here and they should ask 3 questions to the partner. Okay, come on. Who will come first? Malasya and Niharika. Come on.
First you ask. Are you going to play? Are you going to playground?
Yes, I am going to the playground.
You ask one question.
Are you preparing FAL for exams?
Yes, I am preparing for FAL for exams.
Okay, good, go. Next.
Are you practicing English?
Yes, I am practicing English.
You ask me.
Are you going to picnic?
Yes, I am going to picnic.
Next bench.
Are you drinking water?
Yes, I am drinking water. Are you eating snacks?
No, I am not eating snacks.
Go.
Are you reading GK questions? Yes, I am reading GK questions. Is she reading GK questions? No, it is. She is not reading GK questions.
Very good. Wait.
He is reading GK questions.
You are asking question, beta. Is he? Is he?
He is reading GK.
Beta. Question with sentence with helping verb. No. Is he?
Is he reading GK questions? Yes, he is reading GK questions.
Once again ask them.
Is he reading GK questions? Yes, he is reading GK questions.
Now ask about her.
Is she reading GK questions? No, she is not reading GK questions.
Very good.
Are you writing English? Yes, I am writing English.
Loudly, beta.
Are you talking with someone? No, I am not talking.
Very good.
Are you playing now? No, I am not.
Loudly, beta.
No, I am not playing.
Okay, go. Next. Start, Amma.
Are they listening to us?
Yes,
Loudly.
yes, they listening to us.
Yes.
Yes, they listening.
They are
They are listening to us.
to us. Once again, Nana. Veda
Are
Grani.
they listening to us?
Yes, they are listening to.
Us. Very good. Now you ask any other question.
Are they writing?
No, they are not writing.
Very good. Go, Amma. Next.
Are you practicing for English exam? Yes, I am practicing for English exam. Are you going to tuition today? Yes, I am going to tuition today.
Any other questions? Deva Harshit, take this chalk piece and write on the board. You ask him a question about it, Nana.
Are you writing on the board? Yes, I am writing on the board.
Very good.
Are they looking at us? Yes, they are looking at us.
Okay, Nana. Very good. Children, till now you have practiced questions and answers. How to ask the question with is and are helping verbs. Okay, and how to answer with them also you have learned. Right now I am going to say some sentences in Telugu. You have to tell them in English. Okay, I will ask some questions. You have to repeat. You have to say them in English. Okay. Vallu veltunnara. Remember, always question we start with helping verb. If there is no question word, already I told you. Look here, Amma. Everybody. Vallu veltunnara? Vallu park ki veltunnara? Vallu market ki veltunnara? Okay. Atadu market ki veltunnada. How to say? Atadu market ki veltunnada? Aame market ki veltunda? ఆమె స్కూల్కి వెళ్తుందా? ఆమె స్కూల్కి వస్తుందా? ఆమె ఈరోజు స్కూల్కి వస్తుందా? ఎస్. మీరు ప్లే గ్రౌండ్కి వెళ్తున్నారా? వన్స్ అగైన్, మీరు ప్లే గ్రౌండ్కి వెళ్తున్నారా? మీరు రాస్తున్నారా? మీరు ఆడుతున్నారా? మీరు మాట్లాడుతున్నారా? నువ్వు అతనితో మాట్లాడుతున్నావా? వన్స్ అగైన్. ఓకే, లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ స్టాండ్ అప్. నువ్వు అతనితో మాట్లాడుతున్నావా అంటే ఆర్ యూ టాకింగ్ టు హిమ్. ఓకే, నువ్వు ఆమెతో మాట్లాడుతున్నావా? హౌ టు సే? Are you talking with or are you talking to?
Are you talking to she?
No. When there is objective pronoun, you have to. Okay, Niharika, I'll give you.
Are you talking with her?
Yes. Or are you talking to her? Very good. Give class for Niharika. In the end of the sentence, we should not use subjects like she, he, it. Okay, na? We should not use pronouns like she, he, it, they, you. Okay. There we have objective pronouns like her, him, okay, his, him, her, them, okay. As these pronouns we use end of the sentence. Okay. So are you talking to she is not correct. What is correct? Are you talking to her? Okay. Are you talking to him? అతనితో మాట్లాడుతున్నావా అంటే ఆమెతో మాట్లాడుతున్నావా? ఎస్. ఆమె నీతో మాట్లాడుతుందా? అతడు నీతో మాట్లాడుతున్నాడా? ఎస్. అతడు రాస్తున్నాడా? అతడు చదువుతున్నాడా? అతడు చదువుతున్నాడా? దేవహర్షిత్ స్టాండ్ అప్. యు ఆర్ గెటింగ్ కన్ఫ్యూజన్. అతడు మాట్లాడుతున్నాడా? వెరీ గుడ్. సిట్ డౌన్. అతడు రాస్తున్నాడా? ఆమె రాస్తుందా? ఆమె చదువుతుందా? ఆమె మాట్లాడుతుందా? ఆమె వస్తుందా? ఆమె ఈరోజు స్కూల్కి వస్తుందా? Is she coming to school today? How to ask? అతడు ఈరోజు స్కూల్కి వస్తున్నాడా? Like this you have to practice number of sentences. Okay? After going home, I have given you 5 sentences. With that 5 sentences you have to prepare 5 more questions you have to prepare. Okay children, will you do that?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.